with more than 300 species of birds. Birdwatching in the coastal Pacific area of Mexico is a popular pastime for locals as well as tourists. Thanks to the geographical range of ecosystems from the north to south and east to west, Mexico is actually one of 7 countries in the world to claim mega biodiversity. Here you will find some examples of birds found in the area surrounding Puerto Vallarta. Puerto Vallarta is located along the west coast of Mexico and is also well known for vacationers too. Its location is also outstanding for some truly iconic birds. Hi, my name is Rick Chambly. I have been living in Puerto Vallarta for a little more than 5 years permanently. I love birding and taking photos of birds wherever I go. If you are interested in birding around Puerto Vallarta, you can contact me at my email at the end of this video. See you soon!